So hello everyone, this is Ankita Arora aka High Heels Motorcyclist from XBHP with another video, another experience. Right now, as you can see, the TVS flags around me and we are in Coimbatore, which is known for the motorsports and majorly for the motorcyclists and the racing culture. So before showing you the new motorcycle, let me take you to the track. So this is the Coimbatore second track, which is the Coast High Performance Racetrack. And this is the very first anti-clockwise racetrack in India. It's amazing to ride on as we have ridden on this track for the very first time. The surface is amazing. The corners are very good. You can easily meet with the apex and it is truly amazing. So let me show you the race machine of the day. This is the newly launched TVS Apache RR 310 2024. This motorcycle is inspired by the rich pedigree of racing from TVS Racing from 4 decades. Unbelievably, TVS Racing has started in 1982. It has been the 4 decades that TVS has been into racing and building up such motorcycles for the motorcycle racers. TVS Apache RR 310 came in existence in 2017. So they have launched the very first premium looking 300 to 400 cc category motorcycle with the 35 horsepower along with the reversed DOHC engine. In 2019, they have brought the race slipper clutch into the motorcycle along with the great fit and finish. So in 2020, they brought us the 5 inches TFT screen along with the 4 riding modes. In 2021, they brought us the BTO version of it, which means the built to order. You can customize your motorcycle as per your wish, along with the number on the windscreen. So this was amazing to customize a motorcycle, and TVS was bringing such upgrades step by step from 2017 to 2021. But how can I forget about my 2021 and 2022 with the beautiful TVS Apache RR 310, which I always love, the Made in India motorcycle, where we went around on a pan-India road trip, which is called Road Trip United. So we took the Apache RR 310 for the pan-India road trip and traveled 10,000 kilometers in 45 days and covered almost 26 cities, which was amazing to go on a touring. So it is, completely justifying to say that this motorcycle is not just meant for the track, but it is also an absolute premium category into the 300 to 400 cc, a super sport touring motorcycle. After riding this motorcycle for a long distance touring, I really wanted to go on the track. So I took that 2021 model with the race ergonomics and all the upgrades on the TVS Apache RR 310. I went on the Budh International Circuit for my level 1 and level 2 training. It was a very amazing experience. So this is the upgraded version of TVS Apache RR 310. Upgrades which is quite noticeable in terms of the power, which is the engine. So they have kept the engine same as the reverse inclined DOHC engine, which is the single cylinder liquid cooled, which produces 38 horsepower along with the 29 Newton meter of torque. So they have increases the power from 35 to 38 bhp. Air intake has been modified with the increase of 13% volumetric efficiency in it, coupled with the 10% of aluminium forged piston, which is absolutely giving the good revs and the good performance, also delivering the increased power. The track was doing a justice to this motorcycle because it has the a bit of incline and decline and the slope areas. So it is going straight along with the corners, but it was also giving that bumps to the motorcycle, which was, motorcycle got an opportunity to perform and to show the caliber, whatever the engine having right now and the increasing in the power. Along with that, I was actually shifting the gears very quickly because the engine also matted with the bi-directional quick shifter. So I was very easily going from the straight to the corners and shifting all the gears from left to right very easily. So it really helped me a lot to riding on the track smoothly. After riding a motorcycle, you only can know that what has been changed is done in the engine and the power. But before looking at that, you definitely need to see a look of the motorcycle, fit finish of the motorcycle. So this motorcycle is very good looking, and also they have added one more very important feature in it, that the transparent clutch cover. Very beautiful round shape, very appealing transparent clutch cover. It also has an anti-fog polycarbonated inside it. This is a very good addition that the TVS has brought us to the motorcycle. This motorcycle has the similar shark face look in the front and also the sharky eyes. But this time they have upgraded the wings to it. So these aerodynamics winglets gives 3 kg downforce to the tire, and the tire touches the tarmac and gives the stability and high performance on the straight tracks. And it exactly I felt, because I rode both the motorcycles with and without the winglets, and this performed really well in terms of that straight line. So when TVS has designed this motorcycle, they have kept the safety at most on the top priority. They have always say that the safety comes first, whether you are on the motorcycle or off the motorcycle. So if you are riding on the racetrack, you will be completely kit up in the leathers, and along with that, the bike should give a sense of belongingness, also a sense of safety. So this motorcycle has the dual channel ABS. They have included the feature that the race tuned dynamic stability control, which is giving the utmost safety to the motorcycle and to the motorcycle racer, because it's giving the cornering ABS, the cornering traction control, cornering cruise control, also the wheelie control and the rear lift up, and also the slope dependent control. Whenever we are going on the corners, we know that we have the cornering ABS, we have the cornering cruise control. So if we are leaning the motorcycle, the rider feels safe and can definitely push their limits to the corner and to the straight line. The TVS Apache has given this cruise control feature in their RTR 310, which is the newly launched motorcycle. Similarly installed the cruise control into the TVS Apache RR 310 2024. So this is not just the track machine, this also can go to the long distance touring. And if you are going for the long distance touring, you definitely feel, sometimes you feel a little bit of fatigue. So it will lower down your fatigue and it will help you cruising the motorcycle for the longer duration. This motorcycle has 4 riding modes, similarly the previous one, and it also has the adjustable lever and clutch for better riding ability. So if we are riding the motorcycle on the track, off the track, we definitely need to take care of our tire pressure and the tires. So that TVS has brought the TPMS, which is the tire pressure monitoring system, into this motorcycle, where we can check the air pressure, whether it's high or low, and definitely can take care about the tire pressure before going on the track or going on the highways or for the long distance touring, which is a very important feature. So the newly launched TVS Apache RR 310 are coming into 3 colors and the 2 variants. So the newly launched Apache RR 310 have 3 different colors along with the 2 variants in it. So the 3 different color has one new color, which is the bomber gray. Along with that, they are keeping the 2 similar color, which is the red sitting on it, and another is the race replica. The variant says the Dynamic Kit along with that Dynamic Kit Pro. I would definitely say that I enjoyed riding this motorcycle on the coast track, which is the anti-clockwise track. And you won't believe the anti-clockwise riding was way amazing than the clockwise riding, because it always gives you a different angle to lean, and you are taking more corners and more straights. So this is a made in India super sport category motorcycle, which is mainly designed for the race oriented enthusiast. the TVS has also given some very exotic prices. Base price of this motorcycle is without quick shifter is 2,75,000. But if you will take it with quick shifter, then it will come into the 2,92,000. And it is also goes to the 2,97,000 because they have added a new grey color in. And if you also wanted to go for the variants, then they have a segment like Dynamic Kit comes under the 18,000, Dynamic Kit Pro valued as at 16,000. And if you are going for the race replica, then definitely you have to pay 7,000 extra on your base amount. And all these prices are the ex-showroom. So it was a very amazing day with the newly launched TVS Apache RR310, the ultimate track weapon. I would definitely say I was unleashing my racing DNA from this motorcycle that definitely can go onto the long distance touring, also on the track. So if you are a budding racer or a race enthusiast or want to come into the motorsports, then this can be your track machine, or this can be your motorcycle to go onto the long distance touring as well. I literally enjoyed every second of this track. Along with this motorcycle, all the upgrades has been tremendously done on the motorcycle, and it also performed on the track. So I literally enjoyed the quick shifter, I literally enjoyed the downforces. So all the upgrades was amazing, and it truly justified that the why motorcycle is come up onto that price level. So definitely if you are planning to go for such kind of a super sport racing or the touring motorcycle, then definitely I would say that TVS Apache RR310 2024 can be your motorcycle.
The winglets looks cool, and so does the new color Bomber Grey. But nothing truly separates the new Apache RR310 from the older one. A new livery or a few more changes to the design could have done the trick.
Yes, the TVS says that this is crafted by champions and crafted to conquer. So I actually conquered this racetrack, which was the anti-clockwise, and I literally enjoyed every corner, every straight of it. And let me take one more lap. Till the time, you ride hard, ride safe, and I'm going and enjoy the track.